Well, folks, here we are. We're going down the escalator. Yeah. Here's another escalator view. Look at this. Gotta love those escalator views. And folks, while I was doing my escalator video, I was recognized by a subscriber. I certainly was. This gentleman here, he's having some Cinnabons. He recognized me and said, "Hey Chico, I know you, Chico." And I said, "Well, great. Have a wonderful day." This gentleman right here, he's having look, here we go. We're gonna go up the escalator. Let's go up the escalator. We're gonna do it together. We'll do it together. Look at this, folks. Beautiful Las Vegas. Beautiful. Here we are. Here we are, folks.
But it's donated.
Beautiful. Just beautiful. Wonderful. Wonderful. And I was recognized by a subscriber. Can you believe it? The subscriber? I can't believe it, folks. We're going to walk across this bridge. Yeah. Let's take a look. Here we go. Here we go. That's the Bellagio. Fancy place, folks. Very fancy. Let's tour this together. What do you say? Another hotel tour. Just me and you. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Let me know. Okay. Okay, folks. Thank you. I'll be back. Okay, folks, we're inside the beautiful Bellagio. And they have this beautiful Christmas extravaganza called the Conservative place. Just take a look. It's amazing, folks. The colors. Look at this happy little elf. And that another elf right there. And look it up here. Let's go, boy. Unbelievable. Yeah, people are taking pictures. Yeah, I don't think they're YouTubers though. This guy right here. Yeah. Okay, folks. Let's take a look. Lots of people in here. New Year's Eve. Look at this. Look at taking pictures. Look at her taking a picture. Look at that. Blocking the walkway. Look at that. Look at it. Look, still taking pictures. Still blocking the walkway. Yeah, let's block it for everybody so I can get my perfect picture. But anyways, folks, take a look. Look at this guy. He's really going after it. This guy might be a YouTuber. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Lots of people. Look at. What do you think of this, guys? What do you think? What do you think of that? Unbelievable. Unbelievable, folks. It's just beautiful. Just beautiful. Just beautiful. Look at people taking pictures. You can't take pictures too many people. Yeah. Too many people, folks. Lots of people here. Look at this. Folks. It's amazing in here. It's just amazing. People everywhere. People everywhere. People everywhere, folks. Yes. Look at them. Look at them. Everybody's got to have a picture. Got to have a picture. There we go. There we go. There we are. Unbelievable.
Yeah.
Unbelievable. Just unbelievable. Oh, I just crop dusted some Indian guy. Here we go. Okay. People getting upset. Lots of people in here. Lots of people. Look at it. Beautiful. Beautiful. Just beautiful. Here we go. Look at the water. Oh, look at the elf. Look at this elf with the water. What does that kind of mean to you? A couple things, I think. They're kind of taking it to a new level there with that. A little offensive, but I don't know. Oh, look at folks. It's just magical. It's so magical. There's Christmas everywhere. Everywhere. Yeah. Nice little look at that touch right there. Oh, just amazing. Folks, just amazing. Yeah. Whoops, got bumped into. Yeah, it's a good time, folks. It's a good time. Yeah. Yeah. Whoop. Sorry. Okay. We're trying to get out of here. Trying to get out of here. Look, we're trying to get out of here. Yes, we are. Yes, we are. It's amazing to hear people everywhere, folks. It's absolute chaos. Absolute chaos, and it's only 11 o'clock in the morning. Okay? Let's go outside and take a look at the fountains. Okay? Let's take a look. Come with me together. We'll do it together. What do you think? Let me know in the comments if you like the Bellagio. Let me know. I'd like to hear your feedback on my vlog. Okay? The flowers everywhere. Look at this, folks. Look at this. Oh boy. Wow. Okay, here we are. We're outside. Just take a look at this, folks. Just amazing. Look at all this good stuff Las Vegas has to offer. It's just an amazing place to be. Take a look. Take a look. Got a fountain show outside here. Beautiful fountains. Lots of water. Trees. This big beautiful statue here. Look at it. That looks beautiful, folks. Take a look at it. Look at it over there. Oh, just amazing. Folks, I'm not sure when the fountain show starts. Maybe at night. I'm not sure. I think it's a volcano show or something. You know, with fire and stuff. I've read stories. I've seen it on YouTube. Very popular on YouTube. So we'll wait to see what happens, and if it's something happens, I'll certainly record it for you, because I want to share this with everybody for my subscribers, all of my subscribers. So make sure you share it on your social media. Okay? Share it with your kids, your grandparent. Come on, let's keep it down over there. Are you serious? I'm trying to record here. Okay, folks, I'll get back to you.